What's the topic?
tourism,
tourism
and
education.
education. Senior high school in Aceh Singkil.
Yeah, I think this fascinated, fascinated like ceremony, natures of the events
Yes.
that you will do it, yeah. So I think it will be the new of the opinion for the Aceh agency how to make our youth will be grow up for their
Betul.
English and for their knowledge
Right.
about tourism,
Yeah.
That's
about our agency here, and about also their knowledge and about their linguistic also. Yeah, so they would be great.
Yeah, I see.
Great, fascinating, lovely, yeah, lovely. So very lovely about these people. So I
So-
will be, yeah, I think I will be joining it.
Okay.
You just let me know when it will
Okay.
be for the program. So I will try to join it. So I will be like,
Another time,
yeah,
we call phone.
yeah, just calling me.
We call phone to meet.
Discuss
next.
about this.
Discuss next.
Event.
Project.
I will be, yeah. For me, I will be agree for this. So this like a great idea. Yeah.
Yeah.
Great idea for me. So and also decided this is also the best idea, the new idea, because how to make our youth with the spirit for the knowing for the tourism and knowing for the English language. Yeah. Because this is important for us. Thank you.
Okay.
And go with Mr. Sohardin from my home, and on the way in here I discuss how can create this event and got this idea, and today do it.
I think it's easier. Actually, because you will do it like by Zoom, by online, so it's easier. It's not so difficult, I think.